students, and welcome to your last week in your online general psychology course. Yay! Congratulations, you did it. Um, I know how quickly Flex Course moves and how much material and assignments and reading you've done. So pat yourself on the back because it is quite a bit of work. And here you are with the last chapter and the final exam with the only thing left. So for this week, we will cover our very last chapter, which is chapter 15 over psychological disorders. So probably when you started this class, that these topics going through things like depression and schizophrenia and bipolar disorder and borderline disorder and all those things that many people think about when we think about the field of psychology, we finally arrived at this topic. So this week, you will have two Connect assignments, one over anxiety disorders, and the other one is over how a sociocultural approach to disorders is handled. And then your chapter 15 quiz. So no writing assignment. You did your last writing assignment last week with the journal article, the analysis of a journal article. But this week, just one chapter, two Connect assignments, and then your chapter 15 quiz, and then in addition, your final exam. So your final exam, as well as your assignments, are due on March 7th, and that is on Thursday. I know that's different. Normally you have the entire week, but I'm having you get things in so that I can meet my deadline of when grades are due. So a little different there, but hopefully very manageable. You've been doing twice as much work each week, so hopefully you can get that taken care of there. And your final exam will cover chapters 8. Remember, we skipped 9, so no 9, 8, 10, and then 12, 13, 14, and 15. So 12 through 15, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we did the first 7 chapters. You tested over that on the midterm exam. So we're just doing on the final exam the chapters that we've covered since then. You're very familiar with what the final exam is going to look like, very much like the midterm exam, just different chapters. Again, prepping and looking at your quizzes from these chapters might be helpful to you. So here we are at the end. I will miss you. If there's anything I can do for you, please let me know. And best of luck to you all. Take care, everybody.